California is finally getting its much needed rain, but for everyone that had to evacuate, or what I heard on the news about the Bay Area, some parts of the Bay Area had to be evacuated. If I'm incorrect in that, I apologize, but that's what I heard. I will never have to water till March or April, that's for sure. But all plants love the rain. Nothing but the rain can get bright green leaves. No matter how much fertilizer, organic or conventional fertilizer you can put. Colleen's happy, and then she let wet Lulu in, and now Lulu's stealing her breakfast. This is one of the, thank you for shaking on the carpet. All right, I gotta take care of this. I mean, just look at that dark soil. Loving it. I'm not watering till March or April. Awesome. Pi is loving it as well. So stay safe and happy gardening.